to anyone. It says push the button for a
If you have a
modification.
child support case with the Office of the Attorney General, your order might be eligible for a modification. Child support orders can be modified if either of the following conditions is true. It has been 3 or more years since the order was established or last modified, and the monthly amount of child support ordered differs by either 20% or $100 from the amount that would be awarded according to child support guidelines. A material and a substantial change in the circumstances has occurred since the child support order was last set. Generally, this means that at least one of the following things has happened. The income of the payer has either increased or decreased. The payer has become legally responsible to support additional children since the last order. The child's medical insurance coverage has changed. The child's living arrangements have changed. To repeat this information, press the star key. To return to the
I asked to
menu,
speak with someone
press the
regarding the
pound key.
modification. It didn't give me an option to.
You at this time. Your current wait time is 11.4 minutes. Please hold regarding your case
This is at the time.
or for general information about child support.
12:22. The automated system is glitching. It's supposed to give you a timeline of how long you'll be on hold. It's not giving me that timeline. It initiated at 11 minutes. How many automated systems glitching equals intervals? Ring.
Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir. You reached the Texas Attorney General's office. How may I help you?
Yes, your name?
My name is Officer Martin, Martin.
Oh, I haven't heard of talk to an officer in a long time. Years. Okay, and do you have an extension?
I'm sorry? What was that?
I'm
You
sorry?
called the child support office. Is
I'm
this
sorry?
regarding your child support case?
Yes,
Okay.
and do you have a direct extension?
Yeah, well, you're breaking up, man. We have a back.
My phone's hacked, sir. It's every time I'm exposing crimes, it does that. I haven't been able to get
Due
law
to high
enforcement.
call volume, an agent is not available to assist you at this time. Your current wait time is 11.41 minutes. Please hold for the next available agent or visit our website at childsupport.oag.state.tv.
Hi, Jason. I hope you are well. Sorry to hear about the issues. I didn't even click into that.
Visiting our website at
It's blurry.
www.attorneygeneral.gov/child.
Jason just wants to waste your time this week and doesn't want you wearing makeup. He says he wants a public apology now. I'm not quite certain why he wants me to apologize for his abuse. I would, because I'm not getting law enforcement. But it doesn't stop anything. I tried. Now this madness with whatever's glitching and whatever's happening. I guess he can't safely rape me this week and has to try it another time. I'm sure that the location wherever I'm staying will open the door, let him in, police department and Homeland Security, maybe the Secret Service guard the door while it's happening and demand that everybody cover for it and leave me in it. People hearing me screaming, yelling, rape, please help, and they look off, ignore it. So that's what it is. So while I'm on hold, I want you to know what's going on. The kind of person I am, I try to take care of business and be on things. And it's traumatic because they deliberately make it abusive. It's like a harassment strategy to keep me in problems that were intentionally created. So it looks like I'm stagnant because I can't get anything resolved, and it's deliberate. I'm just trying to prove it. It's painting a picture of me of being someone that I'm not. That's how much I invested. They answered, put me on hold again, and this is the time. They said 11 more minutes.
Please visit our website at
So I was with my sister before she set me up. And I said, I don't have any money. I have all this money on my card, but I was pickpocketed and the police department covered for it. I need my card. And my phone got cut off because I didn't have money to pay my bill. So I said, can I use your phone? She said, no, use your phone. I said, what are you talking about? It's off. And she said, well, you can't use my phone. I said, I can't use your phone to get my money. And she realized how she sounded and how ridiculous that was. So then she said, okay, wait. I said, why would you have me wait? You're not on the phone. So then she had me wait an extended amount of time, and then her call was bizarre to Attorney General Child Support Division. Yeah, and yours? Okay. Just sitting there watching R. Kelly's police show from nowhere.
Appreciate your call. Assistance is just ahead.
Have you contacted the sister and said there's nothing? Who's up there? Who was he?
I'm not sure they gave me this number to call, and I called him. They had it written down in the book, and he seen it, and that they would come around, that they would leave around 1:35, 1:45, and come together.
Okay, we ran a name off of our system.
Well, I don't understand why people won't do law enforcement for me being pickpocketed. Why people won't do anything for interference with child custody. Why I have to keep enduring this. Why are we emphasizing on a mental illness? I got pickpocketed. Why won't you take that report? I did, and what's going on with the interference with child custody, I would call CPS. I don't know why my family member, this is the second time she's done this. And then the other time she was in terror. What's your badge numbers and your name? 11819. And your name?
And she's right, this is the second time that I have called for her to be picked up. The first time they came, which was years ago.
So, what is a white warrant?
They came and
They don't want me to know. It's if you're a threat to your safety or someone else's. So I don't understand why my family member would frame me for mental illness. I'm trying to watch R. Kelly, the powerful people abusing power. She knows that I've had guns pulled on me on my YouTube channel. I don't understand why I have been set up. No, I just was threatened in the hospital 3 times. I told you that and you covered for it. We don't know why. We don't know. Someone has threatened me. I have it recorded where the guy threatened me. So their scam is and they're con. We're deflecting officers on how this got. They don't want to talk about me being threatened. On how I was just to someone threatening. I knew that they'd answer. On the train. Hello? Let's see if they. We're deflecting. Hello? When I'm exposing crimes, the scammers answer. Hello?
Good afternoon.
Are you an officer? Are you an officer? You can't hear me? You're not muted. I experienced this years.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I experienced this years. You're not muted.
No, I'm not.
You don't want to do your job, or are you willing to talk?
Yes, how may I help you?
Are you an officer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And may I have your name?
Linda McPherson.
Okay.
May I have yours?
Yes. Do you have an extension?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And how do you spell your last name?
McPherson.
Oh, great. I haven't got a treatment like that in years, real information. Okay. So I have a couple issues. You need my name?
Yes, ma'am. I need your case number.
Okay. It told me to put in my social.
I'll take your social, ma'am.
It didn't route any of that. Did it route any of that information to you?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And I'm sorry, what did you want?
The case number. If you don't have that, I'll look it up using your social.
Okay, well, there's a couple of issues.
Communication. Okay.
Okay. So it said push the button for a modification. And it appeared that your site glitched and didn't connect me with someone regarding the modification.
Do you need a application for a modification?
Yes.
Okay.
Can you
I
not
think
repeat
you
my
just
information? Can you not repeat my mailing address and my sensitive information we already went over?
repeat it to who?
Just not repeat it on this phone call, please. We've already clarified
No,
that.
ma'am. You didn't say. You said 805.
I'm asking you not to continually repeat it. Is that a possibility?
Okay, ma'am.
If we've already verified it?
Yeah, we don't need to verify it again.
Okay, good. Okay,
Okay.
so
Ma'am, this says that they sent you.
I
You called on the.
so I can't tell you why I called. Okay, if you got to tell me what you have.
Yes. No, ma'am. I'm just going. I'm looking at the notes. You can tell me what it is that you're calling for today.
So it says that I called and what, ma'am?
That you called on. You called before. You called. It looks like we put notes on the file, ma'am. When you called.
But if you're hiding the notes, what's the relevancy of telling me when I called that I called before? That's bizarre, ma'am. While I was talking.
Maybe it's something that you've already addressed, ma'am.
If you're hiding what it is, how would I know? What did they say I called on, ma'am?
A phone call. You called and you asked about something.
They put some notes and they hid what I called about?
No, they didn't hide it. What are you talking about, ma'am?
You're not making sense, ma'am, and I feel like, are you trying to start an argument to interrupt this call?
Oh, ma'am, I don't like arguments at all.
Okay, well, I don't understand. If you interrupted me to say that I've called before, what did you want to tell me what happened when I called before?
I'm just viewing the notes, ma'am. Maybe it's something that I see here that you're asking about today.
I'm asking about today and I couldn't speak to tell you why I called?
Yes, ma'am. What is it that you're calling about today?
So you don't want me to know what they have in the notes? It's hidden?
No, ma'am. It doesn't have anything to do because I don't know you.
I gave you my social and you don't know me?
What you're calling for today? I don't know what you're calling about today.
I don't know. You said you interrupted me speaking to tell me what was in the notes, and then you hear what was in the notes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. I just said I'm reading the notes. I didn't say.
But it's hidden to me what they put in the notes. My report is hidden.
Ma'am, what is it that you want?
I don't know, ma'am, because if I'm doing all these reports to Kingdom Come, that just simply disappear and it's hidden from me. So it said in the that you push the button for a modification, and did your site glitch because I didn't have an opportunity to speak with anyone?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so do you need the modification?
I'm asking questions. Did your site glitch? Because it said push the button for a modification.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We are having problems with the system.
You've had all systems I contact have problems with it. Okay, so yes, I need that information for a modification. My rights are terminated.
Send it to your email address.
Okay, there's a problem, ma'am. You guys made a mistake, and you're leaving me in that problem. You have the documentation saying that my rights are terminated, and you have me on child support. If you have me paying child support, then you have records that I don't have rights because I used to be the custodial parent before someone paid to terminate my rights. So you guys are committing a crime because the only way that you could have me paying child support is if you receive the notice that my rights were terminated. That's evidence that you have this paperwork. But someone took bribes and put me on child support knowing my rights were terminated, which is criminal. That's defrauding me out of a lot of money. So in your scam, you're keeping me from records, racking up thousands of dollars of debt, and you know my rights are terminated. The only way that it's impossible for you not to know because you have me on child support. If I was a legal custodial parent in one file, in one case, and then on the other where they terminated my rights, you have me paying child support, that's a crime.
All right, ma'am. So you say somebody terminated your rights?
You guys put me on child support with documentation showing that my rights are terminated. That's a crime. You're defrauding me out of funds. Okay. If you have me, I was a legal custodial parent, someone paid to terminate my rights, that's a crime too. You have the documentation because you discontinued my child support, and then you have me paying child support when my rights are terminated. So you have a glitch in your system. In fact, you had a glitch in your system around 2015. The dad told me that he was paying child support, and I called you guys every month in a crisis situation, and you weren't giving me my funds. You guys lied and said I didn't get those payments. That was a blatant lie. He says, no, there's a glitch. I feel that money. They were taking that money from me. And there's been all kind of crimes years, multiple different locations. So then they got in 2017, I was in this toxic community with almost everyone I came in contact with pathologically lying, scheming to try to get my daughter taken away from me. And then my son was being terrorized and all kind of things with my whole family. So nonetheless, I wanted to move out this toxic community, and I needed the $5,800 that was taken, the dad that was garnished from the dad. You guys lied again and said that I never got those benefits. When I was in jail with Diane Hammer and false charges, I wrote to the 255th District Court and the Waco FBI exposing a whole bunch of corruption. Then they put the funds back on this card, $5,800, but whoever I was calling lied every single month saying that I didn't get it and wouldn't be getting it. The first thing I was going to do was flee that psycho neighborhood that I eventually was arrested in. Someone was watching me at home and I had to sit in it. But here's the thing, the reason why I'm calling you guys is that you guys have been pathologically lying years, defrauding me out of funds. And I'm just trying to prove it. So some kind of way, another crime is being committed, and it's even more funds now that I'm being robbed of. If you know you have evidence that my rights are terminated, but you won't apply that to the case, which is criminal.
I'm looking for an order. Let me see.
You can't, if you don't have the order, then it's impossible for you to be garnishing, demanding child support for an order you claim you don't have.
Okay.
Are you looking for the order, ma'am?
Yes, I'm looking for the order. You
Okay.
say we don't have the order?
I mean, you're stating that you may possibly not have the order. That really doesn't make sense, ma'am, because if you don't have the order, it's impossible for you to demand child support.
Terminated. The only person who can terminate your rights is you. So if you didn't terminate your rights, they aren't terminated.
You're looking at the record, ma'am. You're looking at the record. Let's go on definitives. You're an officer. As I established, there's been a lot of integrity issues and crimes with Attorney General Child Support Division. So I would like to focus on definitives. If you're an officer, you know the imperative nature of dealing with definitives.
But if you want to talk about legal, you'll have to.
I'm not talking about legal, ma'am. You're looking for the order. There's a glitch in your system. Are you depriving me of the ability to resolve the issue? That would be criminal, ma'am.
If you want to send the order, you're welcome to send it.
Ma'am, there's a glitch in your system. Are you unwilling to correct the glitch that you have in your system that's defrauding me out of funds?
No, ma'am.
Okay, well, there's a glitch in your system because if you can't find the order, I need those child support payments that I should be getting. Either way, there's a glitch. If you don't have my rights terminated, she hung up. It's fruitless. Years of this. I don't know how many patterns equal an arrest.